Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro, and I'm just going to do a basic review of this opening, like the box itself, and yeah, just the appearance of it. So here's the box. I got the Apple logo, you got this picture, I got the dark purple color iPhone 14 Pro, and this box is pretty nice. There's actually a bump here, so you can kind of feel like the phone. So there's a bump here. Feels pretty premium. Here's the logo again. All right, iPhone 14 Pro. So I'm really excited to open this, and then I'll just peel this here. Whoops, I totally messed that one up. All right, let me do that again. Oh, sorry about that. Anyways, let me just open this up. All right, you got a huge cutout for the camera. And I also did notice one thing. You see this reflection of the Apple logo is kind of purplish. So depending on the color of your iPhone, I think that's a pretty nice touch. So if you get a different color, you might get a different shade on your box. See that also here, dark purple. It's a new color this year. All right, here's the phone itself. You got the triple camera. Let me take this out. You got the front, this piece of paper covering the screen. Let me just remove that. Cool. All right, and here's the iPhone. Got your volume rocker, and then the silent switch on and off. You got your speakers, two speakers. You got the lightning port. Too bad it's not USB-C. And then power on and off. Your camera is the logo. Here's the dark purple color. And you'll notice that there is no SIM card tray. Everything is eSIM this year. So if you like the SIM cards, you're not going to get it with this model. The color is pretty subtle purple. It's not a vibrant. It's like a dark purple. Anyways, so there's that. You get this USB-C to lightning cable. And what else? You get a designed by Apple pamphlet. I'm looking for, where's my Apple? Okay, there it is. You get your Apple sticker, of course. Cable. That is my unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro. And anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like or subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, peace out. Take care.